Hey guys, today we're doing a video. My brother Colin is recording with his iPad, and I'm gonna be singing "Raining Tacos." It's raining tacos from out of the street. No, it's raining tacos from out of the sky.
He doesn't know the full song.
Yeah, but I'm gonna do some of it. It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos. No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos from out of the street. Tacos. All you can eat. Lettuce and shells and cheese and meat. It's raining tacos.
Bye, guys.
Bye.